We want to make revolution with the sports because no one can stop the sports.
Elman took young fighters under his wing and by teaching them football, reformed them.
Last 5 years, we have seen only the clan leaders. They get a lot of opportunity. The clan leaders and the warlords, the gunman. But today, we are celebrating, we have no gun.
In Mogadishu's highly volatile and unstable conflict, there is no place for such celebrations. Last month, Elman was killed.